everybody, today I have a review for you of Veet's Sensitive Precision Beauty Styler. Now this is so amazing. It's actually different from their previous Veet Precision Beauty Styler because this one is actually waterproof. You can use it in the shower or out of the shower. You can use it on wet or dry skin. It's one device here. You can use this on your face, so eyebrows, upper lip, underarms, bikini line, legs, basically anywhere that you want to get rid of your unwanted hair. So your Veet Precision Styler comes with a very cool zip up clear storage case, so you can store that in there. Great for traveling or just to keep in your bathroom or your beauty cupboard, so it's stored away nice and neat and keeps it dust free and well looked after. It also comes with instructions, so if you're unsure, a bit scared or not sure what to do, this will walk you through every step of the way. So this is your styler here. As you can see, you've got two different sized blades on each side there. So the shorter one is 6mm, the longer one is 16mm, and these are mainly for trimming your eyebrows, so you can really get in there in those hard to reach sort of areas and give yourself a really nice shaped brow. It comes with this attachment here, and this basically attaches onto that and it gives you a 2 or 4mm controlled trimming length. So you pop that just on the top like that, lock it in, so easy, and then you can trim away your hair just like that, and you know, you're completely guarded from the blades. The Veet Precision Styler also comes with this little cleaning brush, so when you're done you can just clean away the hairs. It gets right in there in between each little gap and just cleans away all the hairs, so you're ready for the next use. And as you can see, this actually adjusts like back and forth like this, so it does rotate depending on if you're doing your left or your right side of your face. That's really handy to get in there nice and easily. So that's a really cool feature, which is also pain-free, which is really awesome. My eyebrows actually, before I used this, were quite long. Each individual hair was very long, and that's always kind of bugged me. So this has trimmed them down really nicely, and I really like that. And it was so easy. I was really surprised at how easy that was to actually do without completely shaving off my whole eyebrow. This also comes with one AA battery, which is all you need for this. It just pops straight in there like that. So it does come with a battery, so you're ready to go as soon as you buy it. This is your on button. It's not very loud, as you can see. It does vibrate a little bit, but it's super like just quiet. You can do it any time of the day. You don't have to worry about waking up your kids or whatever. So that's really cool as well. So moving up from the 6mm and the 16mm brush head, you then go up to the 20mm one, and this one is pretty much ideal for your bikini area and your underarms. And this works actually really quite well on both areas. No matter how long your hair is, it's like the perfect size for that really, because it just gets right in there. This area as well, it's just a couple of strokes and you're done. It's so quick, and I really like the convenience of using this in the shower, just because I'm in there grooming myself anyway, washing, whatever. It's great to just have this in there, and I love that it's battery operated and like an electrical thing, and I can use it in the shower really safely and easily and efficiently and getting everything all done at the one time. This is really great for when you want to get that really close up, close short haired shave. Now this does also come with two other attachments for this particular brush head, the 20mm one. You have one that is labeled 4 and one that is labeled 2, and this is so they can easily attach to this head. And if you want your hair not that short, if you get irritated by really short hair in the bikini area in particular, you can put these on and it will give you either number 2 for 2mm hair length or 4 for 4mm hair length. So that gives you a bit of a buffer there, and they attach so easily. So for example, this number 2 one here, you just attach it on like this, and it looks like this, and then you're good to go. Whack it on, and it's nice and safe. You've got that plastic guard there. None of the actual razor blades go directly onto your skin that close that it can have any risk of cutting your skin. I've had no problems at all with it. It is completely 100% safe. This retails for $49.99 depending where you buy it. It's currently available to buy at places like the Shaver Shop, Chemist Warehouse, Priceline Pharmacy, all those kinds of regular places where you'd find your Veet products. It comes with a carry case, like it's perfect if you go camping or traveling or to hotels on a plane, wherever you find yourself in a situation where you need some body hair removal emergency or for just your regular beauty maintenance, then I would highly recommend this. It has been so easy for me to use. I found it really simple to just slot into my weekly beauty routine and hair removal routine. Thank you for watching my review. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye.